Construction work is underway at the site of the long-awaited Sully Community Center, located at the intersection of Wall Road and the Air and Space Museum Parkway near Sully Highlands Park in Chantilly. Once completed, the multi-use facility will be an intergenerational center that will house the relocated Sully Senior Center and a new healthcare suite. This unique addition will be shared by HealthWorks for Northern Virginia, a nonprofit community health center, and the Fairfax County Health Department's Women, Infant, and Children program.
I'm really excited that we're going to finally get a community center in Sully District because we haven't had one. We did have a senior center that was in an old building that had to be torn down for the 66 project, and now we're leasing space. And I think the wonderful thing to have a community center in Sully is we've learned a lot over the years, and we realize we want to mix people of different ages. The space in the community center will be flexible space so that people will be able to go there, take classes, do other activities. Another great thing about the location of the community center, it's near an area where we have ball fields so that the community can go use the ball fields, come to the community center. If we had a bigger event, there could be shared parking, so the location is really good for that.
This center will provide a broad array of programs and services for all ages and abilities, including the Sully Senior Center, fitness classes, gym sports such as basketball, volleyball, pickleball, and badminton, after-school programs, STEAM, technology and computer instruction, therapeutic recreation, facility rentals, community garden plots, meeting spaces for groups and organizations, spring, summer, and winter camps, and Park Authority specialty camps. At the Senior Center, meals will be served and, thanks to a partnership with Shepherd Center, transportation will be provided for doctor's appointments, grocery pickups, or for other necessary errands.
Transportation is provided two ways. Transportation is provided by our FastTran. A lot of our community members have seen the blue and white buses throughout the county. So that's how we bring seniors to the facility for the programs. But then we also partner with Shepherd Center to provide specific targeted transportation for those that need transportation to doctor's appointments, to the pharmacy to pick up their prescriptions, etc.
The facility will also feature a gym with 2 basketball courts. The second court has been made possible thanks to funding from the Fairfax County Park Authority.
I think one of the most exciting things about the community center, when staff first came to us in the beginning, it was only going to have 1 gym court. And so we were able to work together with the Park Authority, and our community center will have 2 gym courts in it, which is really, that's a need out here in the community. So I think that'll be a great facility.
Anybody that lives out here and participates in youth athletics knows of the gym shortage that we have in western Fairfax County. People are trying to find, whether it's public or private, places where they can go to have their league games in the wintertime. And that's another reason why we're really happy that we're able to partner with the Park Authority on the 2 courts, is because we'll be able to bring our youth basketball leagues that operate from November through, say, 1st of March. They'll be able to come in and get used to the facility for practices and for games, and be able to help address some of that shortage that we see here in the western end.
In addition to providing a much-needed multi-generational space, the 1-story, 36,000 square foot building has also been designed to be LEED Silver certified by using sustainable building and site features. Construction is scheduled to be completed by summer 2022.
You know, it's great to have a community space where people can come in, they can take classes, they can get to see some of their neighbors, the Park Service will have activities there. There is community involvement in deciding what programs will be there. And this will be a nice, bright location where they can do those type of things.
For more information, please visit the center's website.